Mga ka-RSP, isa namang makabagong paraan ng pangalaga sa sugat ang handog ng isang medical institution mula sa Malaysia na ngayon ay nilalapit na rin sa Pilipinas sa tulong ng Embassy of Malaysia at Trade Office o MATRADE. Kung ano yan, panoorin po natin ito.
Makabagong pamamaraan ng pangangalaga ng sugat. Yan ang nais bigyan ng solusyon ng isang medical institution mula Malaysia na inuugnay dito sa bansa sa pamamagitan ng Embassy of Malaysia Trade Office o MATRADE. Isang aesthetic wound dressing kung saan manipis at transparent at hindi na kailangang palitan from time to time.
It is an innovative 3D adhesive pouch that allows you to protect your wounds from contamination, infection. It's going to help a lot of people, especially those who are bedridden.
Sa pangunguna ni Dr. John Tang, isang obstetrician and gynecologist, kanyang na-developed ang world's first unisex condom kung saan naging daan para mabuo ang ideya ng makabagong wound dressing.
It's a dressing that we created so that people do not have to change the dressing when they change the pad. If you look at the dressing, you've got two parts. So one is the dressing and the other one is the pad. But in order to change the pad, when it gets saturated, you need to change the whole dressing. And when you do that, you injure the skin and it causes trauma to the skin. By using pouch dressing, you'll be able to do that without changing the dressing, but just changing the pad. And you can inspect the wound as well. The pouch will create an environment where the wound will heal by itself without any contamination or infection from outside.
Nagpahayag naman ng kahalagahan ng partnership ang presidente ng University and Science Technology of Southern Philippines. Ang mga pag-uugnay ng mga makabagong inobasyon at imbensyon sa bansa sa pamamagitan ng Malaysia Embassy MATRADE ay malaking tulong para sa maunlad na ekonomiya at makabagong health system. Sa pamamagitan nito, mas mapapadali at mapapagaan din ang trabaho ng mga medical workers at hindi na gaanong mahihirapan ang mga pasyente.